Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Nifty Inc., a platform that has redefined the way users interact with NFTs and crypto assets. Nifty Inc. provides a straightforward, intuitive wallet where you can create, store, and explore NFTs all in one place. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of non-fungible tokens or an experienced crypto enthusiast, this wallet offers tools to enhance your experience. Once you access the website, the clean and minimalistic interface immediately stands out. Navigating through the wallet is effortless, thanks to its intuitive design. Setting up your account is simple. Just connect your wallet, such as MetaMask, and you're ready to dive in. The platform allows you to mint your own NFTs seamlessly. By providing basic details and uploading your digital creation, you can bring your art into the blockchain world with minimal effort. Nifty Inc.'s integrated marketplace is another highlight. Here, you can browse NFTs created by others, trade directly from your wallet, or explore trending digital artwork. Security is a top priority for Nifty Inc., employing blockchain technology to ensure your assets remain safe and tamper-proof. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Moving forward, the wallet also offers analytics tools to monitor your portfolio's performance. You can track price trends and transactions of your NFTs directly within the app, making it easier to make informed decisions. The wallet is accessible via both web and mobile platforms, ensuring you can manage your crypto assets anytime, anywhere. Finally, the ecosystem surrounding Nifty Inc. embraces creativity and community. The platform encourages artists to collaborate and collectors to explore diverse collections. With its unique blend of features and an ever-growing user base, Nifty Inc. stands as a beacon for NFT enthusiasts looking to dive into the decentralized art world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated on the latest crypto wallet reviews and tips.